So with 702 horsepower, 650 pound-foot of torque, and the most sophisticated suspension system ever bolted to a factory-built truck, the Ram 1500 TRX is a beast in the back road, but has enough road manners you can take it home to your mother. I'm Taryn Gilstead with Jim Pattison Chrysler, Jeep Dodge Ram in Surrey, and I'm here to walk you through what makes the Ram 1500 TRX such a raptor eater. So not only do we have the 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8, which is paired with the 8-speed automatic heavy-duty transmission, what really sets the TRX apart is its cold air intake system, which is the biggest air intake system currently in the market. Ram mixes the air in a giant 29-liter air box that sifts out water, dirt, and debris before the airstream hits the dual filter elements. In fact, these air filters have 4 times the dust trapping ability as the competition and provides 198.4 square inches of filter surface area. Ram even positioned the filters where they can be easily accessed for field cleaning. So, like the Ford Raptor, Ram uses a long travel independent front suspension. However, Ram chose to use forged aluminum for both upper and lower arms. In the rear, Ram has a more compliant suspension design based on its link coil design. However, in the TRX, this is beefed up with steel arms, new geometry, and the tallest coil springs ever mounted on a consumer vehicle. Each of the TRX's 4 corners features semi-active Bilstein Black Hawk E2 dampers. The aluminum-bodied shocks use 3 pistons and are infinitely adjustable on both the compression and rebound circuits, depending on feedback from sensors placed all around the vehicle. This means it's able to detect and adjust for everything from highway and towing to braking in rough roads. Every aspect of the TRX's design was so important that even its tire technology took a step forward. With LT 325 65 R18 Goodyear Territory tires, which were designed specifically for the TRX, these tires are taller and wider than the Raptors and certainly adds to the TRX's menacing stance. So not only that, but these tires carry a T-speed rating, which means that they can sustain speeds of 190 kilometers an hour while still being able to handle any off-roading conditions you want to put it through. So these 35-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 18-inch wheels contribute to the best-in-class 11.8 inches of ground clearance, as well as its 32 inches of water fording ability. With materials that rival high-end sports cars and luxury makes alike, there's plenty to love about the TRX interiors. So even the most basic TRX is going to come standard with its 12-inch screen. Although I have a feeling most of you might want to upgrade to the TRX Level 2 equipment group. This includes a bunch of goodies, among them the 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Although, with all the music emanating from under the hood and being pumped from the 5-inch exhaust tips, you may find you'll be fine without the speaker upgrade. Of course, the Ram 1500 TRX comes with plenty of interior goodies, including the safety features, its paddle shifters, heads-up display, and digital rear-view camera. But what I'm excited about is the combination of the off-road pages that you're used to seeing on the Jeep Wrangler Rubicons paired with the performance pages you're used to seeing on the Hellcats. But what I know will excite even more of you is Ram's return to the good old stick shifter. Now, of course, with the microchip shortage, what is already a limited production vehicle has become that much more of a limited production vehicle. So if you're wanting to get your name on a Ram 1500 TRX, drop by and see us at Jim Pattison Chrysler, Jeep Dodge Ram in Surrey, just off of Highway 1 at the 152nd exit. Talk to you soon.